everybody, and welcome back to another Stable video. Today I am doing more Yule goat hunting, and this is going to be my not my last Yule goat hunting video because I still need to get the cat, and I'm really hoping I can get the cat before the Yule goat hunting goes away. I might and I might not be able to. I have 44 Yule goat wishes. I am so close to getting the dog. We are going to be getting the dog in this video. Just getting a little dog spirit. I don't know if that sounds right or not. We're going to use my other little terrier, Scout. So yes, we are doing the Everwind Field portal today. So let's do it. Oh God, sorry. Sorry, I burped. I love burping. Oh my God, there's a star, but we're not star hunting. So we are going to leave the star alone. We don't want the star. I'm like, we don't want the star. I don't know why I just opened the plug. That was very, very random. There was no reason at all for that, but whatever. I need six more Yule goat spirits to get the dog, which, oh my God, guys, you don't know how excited I am. I want you guys to comment down below whether you have gotten the dog or not. And if you have gotten the dog, have you gotten the cat? Yes or no? And if you haven't gotten the dog, how close are you? If you haven't gotten the cat, also how close are you? I'm not the closest to the cat, but I am super close to the dog, as I already said. But, oh, because the cat, you just need to do portals and portals and portals. And I don't need the spirits then, so the more portals I do, I can take those spirits and I can do spend them on stuff like XP and whatever else. And sorry, I don't know what that was. I just like started. I was like, spend them. I don't know why, but whatever. Because I'm weird. I don't know how I do that. That's really weird. Oh my God, that star's teasing me. I'm just going to get the freaking star. Come here. No. Okay. Well, now that there's no more star teasing me, we are going to continue on with Yule goat hunting. And I'm going to everywhere. Have you guys ever gone outside the fog in the Yule goat hunting? I haven't. I went outside the fog in the pumpkin hunting, but never for the Yule goats. I feel like it's a lot easier to stay in the fog for the Yule goat hunting than the pumpkin hunting. Because the pumpkin hunting, it was probably because it was in Golden Hills Valley and there's a lot of hills in Golden Hills, so you were running down. That's why it's probably called Golden Hills. Because I was running down the hill and then I press X, but in the sliding stuff, I just slid right out of the fog, so that wasn't helpful. And that was very random. Get back here, George. I don't know why I just named the Yule goat George, but that's okay. Come on. I have not filmed in a long time, and I honestly don't know why. But we're back again. I'm a horrible whistler. Comment down below if you guys are good at whistling or not. I am not good at whistling at all. I am really, like, that's the best I can do. There we go. That was a little bit. I have a friend that's super good at whistling. He's magnificent. And we are making up our own words. Go by the Horses for Life dictionary today. I wish. Has a lot of unknown words in there because they are our words. Oh my God, yes, the dog. You know what? Let's not stop and look because I will have that too soon if I can stay on track. Guys, if you subscribe and turn on the post notifications, you are officially part of the herd. And comment down below if you have subscribed and if you are part of the herd, the horse herd, because we are like a army. Sorry if my audio keeps getting really bad at random times. I've noticed that's been happening. So, and I don't know why. I do have a microphone, and I can't find that Yule. I'm running around like an idiot. Come on! 5 more until I get the dog. Come on. I am writing prints today, which is nice. I am probably going to film a training time after this. I don't know why exactly, but I'm gonna. And we're going to take a minute and look at the dog. Now I gotta be very careful not to click anything. Look, I just need 50. 50, come on. I'm so close. I am so close. And after this portal, I'll get the jacket, and then it's 5 for the pants, and 6 for the boots, and 7 for the gloves, and 10, I think, um for the cat. Wait, what does that say? It says, there's no use walking him. This cat is always sleeping. His top talent is being able to nap anywhere and everywhere. Give him some lasagna and he'll be full of energy again. Okay, that's random. And don't stomp your foot at me. Okay. Motivation. Come on. Oh. Don't ask me what I'm doing. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue. I have no clue. I have no clue. And this portal isn't cooperating for me. So we are gonna head to Steve's farm. And we'll see if there is more cooperative portals there. I really hope there is, because I need the dog today. 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 In the next 20 minutes, or I am gonna die. Not really, but that's what I feel like. Oh my god, there's a Yule right there. Yes, I finally found one. Woo! That was a very weird song, but it's fine, I guess, because we have a Yule goal. It says Yule, come over here somewhere. So wait, gotta be around. Yes, I found you. Yes! Sorry, that was weird. Whatever. I'm chasing you. I'm chasing you. I found you. I'm chasing you. I'm chasing you. I found you. Whatever. 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 I don't know what we're gonna do today. Or right now, I guess, because I am finding the dog with you guys. If you guys leave because I'm being annoying and weird, I don't blame you. Because I'm always annoying and weird. That's just me. Annoying and weird. What time is it? Yeah, it's only 11. I have a lesson at 2:30 and we're doing barrels, so we have to leave at 2. And it feels like it's long. Like I'm so excited to go. I'm doing barrel racing today, and I just want to go now. But I can't. Because it's way too early. And I'm still in my pajamas. Pajamas. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. And it's 11. But since it's winter break, I want nothing to do with actual clothes until we're going to the bar. Because that's how I roll during winter break. I'm just always in pajamas. And I found the Hermit, Hermie, I'm giving all the Yules weird names. Okay. So George, Jeff, and Bob. There. And the mom is Jeremy. Jeremy. The mom's Jeremy. There. Haha, I named them. I named the family of Yule goats. Every family of Yule goats I get to, I'm naming. Each and every one of them. Run! Also, quick tip, if you guys don't want to look behind you with the Yule goat and you're just trying to run in the same spot. Because if you run in a circle or a same pattern, as soon as you get back around to where the Yule goat is, you'll just find the Yule goat. Okay, there's that. I gotta pay attention. Yeah. And so it's somewhere over here. I saw it heading in this direction. I'm like, it's somewhere over here. I don't actually know where, but it's somewhere. Oh my god, guys. We need 4 more. 4 more. We can do it, guys. We can do it. I don't know what that sound was. I'm like, meh, meh, meh. Mm, 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 Wait, into the and ignore your whispers. Oh, oh, which I wish would go away. Oh, I'm sorry, secret Seren, but I'm blocking out your calls. No, wait, what is happening? Whatever. Global drama. I'm like, global drama. Nobody likes global drama. Well, except people, I do know some people who like global drama. Because they're the ones who cause it. Uh, 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 I'm going to Moreland. I'm going to like 3 different places. I'm so weird. I'm like, okay, everyone feels yeah, no, Steve. No, Moreland. Moreland's just the easiest. I'll find 4 really quickly here in Moreland. And we can do Moreland like that. Because Moreland's really the only portal I've been doing. Wait, is each portal only available once a day? Because I've already done Moreland today. I'm like, wait. Yeah, each portal's only available once a day. That stinks. Where am I going then? You know what? I'll go, um, okay. I guess we'll go back to Dweebs. Dweebs? I guess I can't do more land. I guess I can't do more land, I guess I'm gonna have to learn how to do Dweeb, like, Dweebs is my only option. I don't like Dweebs. Dweebs is annoying. Oh my gosh! Sorry, I don't know what's moving around over there. There are the Tinkers. Oh my god, I can't even look at them. I'm broke right now. I can't get a Tinker. I'm hoping there's going to be no Dark Moon again soon. Because I really want the Black and White Tinker. But yet again, I want to wait for the second batch of Tinkers to come out. Okay, also guys, I need to ask you a question. Am I the only one with this problem, or is your Thirsty Horse app not updating? Because mine, like, I go to the App Store, it says it doesn't need to be updated. I go on it, it's not winter, and the Bay Andalusian is not on there, which is, I don't know. I'm gonna try to delete it and re-download it. See if that helps. I'll go back to Everwild. Sorry, as you can tell. Um, I had a dream that I would find you, go, whoa, 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 but it's not working, and I don't know why. Never mind, I jinxed it. It's right here, right now, and I'm happy. Oh, 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 it's here right now. I had a dream that I would find you go, and guess what? It came true. Now I just need to find two more baby Yule goats and name them all, including the mom and I. Need to stop singing. Cause I bet people's eardrums are bleeding and I won't feel bad. Okay, I'll stop now. So, I need to name these guys. Bell, Ringer, and Ping. And then the mom is Palm. Bell, Ringer, Ping, Palm. Done. This had nothing to do with anything, really. I don't know why. Yeah, we're just gonna run around until this yogurt's done. And then we only need a few, and then we only need 3 more guys. Oh my god, I am so excited. What was that? Wait, no, I have 36. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I only need 3 more. Run. Run. Alright, yep, I know where that is. I know exactly where that one is. Budweiser, Clydesdale. I'm just running right by. Budweiser, Clydesdale. Okay. Jim, Jeremy, and Jackie, and Grumpy Mom. No, and Big Mama. That's her name. Big Mama. Because she's Big Mama. That's weird. Totally not super weird. Cough, cough. There's one. This video is going to be so long. Everybody's going to be like, why are you making such long videos? Like, nobody wants to sit down for that long. I probably should have told you guys at the beginning of the video to sit down with your popcorn and your hot cocoa. Or your Christmas cookies and your hot cocoa. Because you're going to be sitting here for a while. And if you haven't already, pause this video and go get your hot cocoa and your Christmas cookies frosted and sprinkled. I'm drinking my hot cocoa. Hang on. Oh, my hot cocoa's cold. It's cold cocoa now. I don't want it anymore. It's cold. But it was almost gone anyway, so. It's not really a waste of hot chocolate. Ew, somebody farted in the house and I can smell it. Oh god, that smells so bad. Budweiser. Don't ask what I'm doing or why I'm doing it, because I don't know. Oh, And through the dark and through the doors and through the hey, honey, C F O I love hook. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna you too. Please don't copyright me. Please don't copyright me. I had a dream that I would not get copyrighted, and I hope it comes true, and I hope it does, 'cause if I do, I am going to be dead. Whatever. I can't find the last Yule goat baby. I believe. Oh, never mind. I jinxed it. Hang on. I'm gonna turn the settings. I love my good old sound effects. Now I just have to turn the. Oh no, the volume's not working. It's not working because I have the microphone plugged in. That stinks. Whatever. Probably turn that back down because as soon as I unplug the microphone, that's gonna be loud. Just turn that all the way down. Or pretty well then. Yep, I'm in a sticky situation. No. Oh god, I almost just went out of the fog there, but I didn't. I'm glad. Budweiser. Peace out. I'm running. Now I'm gonna circle this stuff. I give up. I give up in life. Okay, guys, 2 more Yule goats. Oh my god, we are so close. So close. Come on, show me where you're gonna be. Because I need you right now. This instant, instant, instant. Right this second. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm dancing around in my chair. Deep breath. Okay. Just, we gotta do this speed quick, guys. This is all my motivation I have. The puppy. The puppy is my motivation. Okay, 1. I need 6 more babies. 6 more babies, 2 more mamas. And then I'm done. Well, 6 more babies equal 2 more mamas. 2 more big mamas. Oh, come on, I'm so close. I swear to God, this is awesome. Okay, 1 more baby, come on. Yes! Wait, no! I hate you. I'm like, yes! No! Little goat, I hate you. I was so close to having you. Come on, back to the big mama. God, guys! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Woo. No, stay sleeping. No! I wanted you to stay sleeping. This would have been a whole lot easier for me if you stayed sleeping. If you had just stayed like that. No, I'm gonna get you dizzy. Okay. Whatever. Comment down below something you want me to talk about in my next video. My next video will probably be a training time. And I will probably just do the rest of the portals on my own until I get the cat. Or until it's like the last portal for me to get the cat. Guys. One last one. Until it's like the last portal for me to get the cat, then I'll film that. But every other video I film is probably going to be a training time. There might be 1 or 2 Yule videos shoved in there, but maybe. Maybe not. I'm not sure. But I'm trying to focus my attention more on training once I have the puppy. Like, I'm fine if I don't get the cat. I just really wanted either the cat or the dog, and I am getting the dog today with you guys, which is exciting. Um, but yes, um, wait, I think like wait, what? Wait a minute. I don't know what that wait a minute was for. Probably for myself and my brain. My brain is dead because I've been playing too much for stable. No, I'm just kidding. I've been outside almost all day, except for now. Oh God, that was bad. That was me. My elbow hit the keyboard in the place it shouldn't have. So screwed it up. Screwed me up. I screwed actually myself up. Yep, I screwed myself up. Okay, come on, you better be around here. I am going to die. I had a dream that I would find you guys, and it's not happening. And through the dark and through the fog, where is you go? I honestly can't find it. I am looking everywhere I can think of. And I found out this is the best moment of my life. Actually, it's not the best moment. Was probably when my horse got off the trailer and I touched her. Sorry, that was weird. Okay, guys. Let's get started. Guys, it's happening. It is happening. It is happening. We are close, y'all. Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. Oh my god, I got it! I haven't gotten the puppy yet, but oh my god. Okay, guys. 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 Just stay asleep for me, would you? Really. You had to wake up. You had to wake up. If you had stayed asleep, I would have been so happy. And it would have been so much easier for me. But no, you had to spoil it all and wake up. Jeremy the brat. This goat's not a mom, it's a dad. Oh my god, guys, 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 guys. Oh my god, guys. Guys, I did it! Oh god, guys, I did it with you. Without you guys, this would have been so much harder. But guys, I did it. We did it, guys. I didn't do it. We did it. Guys. Oh my god. You guys ready? We're gonna do this. We are going to do this. And whether this video has bad audio or not, I am still posting it. And if the video audio is bad, then turn on the captions. Here we go, guys. Oh my god, I did it, guys! I did it! Oh my god! I don't have any more Yule spirits, but I don't. Oh my god, I don't freaking care that I don't have any more. Hang on, we need to go somewhere good. Cause okay, I need to sit here, and I need. Oh, he's taking it. You know, I need to decide to check him out. Oh, look at that little face. I don't like. Look at that. He has little freckles. Oh my, guys, I think I am going to die. That's my thumbnail for this video. I got him. Oh my god. You know what, guys? Oh, he's precious. Okay, come on, we're taking a victory lap. Guys, we need a name for him. Comment down below a name. It's a boy, and we need a name for him. Him, not her, him. Okay? Look at that, precious. Okay, we need a name for him. And we're taking a picture with him. Okay, that's good. Good enough. Okay. Well, thank you guys very so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to comment down below name. Bye for real this time.